Okay, retake that.
Hi, my name's Kat Bloomer. I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I attend Louisiana State University.
Hi, my name is Blake Gocha, and I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I go to Louisiana State University.
Hi, my name is Nancy. I'm from Honduras and I study at LSU.
I love Czech Republic. The view, the scenes, all the experiences is beautiful. It's great.
I was very inspired by the work that I've seen from all the students. I wish that LSU maybe would go in more depth with furniture design, but I definitely think that Czech students coming to the U.S. could learn a lot from us and be inspired by our work just as I was with theirs.